Today, I'll show you how to create the trending by 2024 Welcome to 2025 video using TikTok and CapCut. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you've updated both TikTok and CapCut to the latest versions. This will ensure everything works smoothly. You can update them through your app store. Next, open TikTok and tap the search icon in the top right corner. Type by 2024 Welcome to 2025 in the search bar. Browse through the results, find the one you like, and open it. Once you've chosen a video, tap on the Try This Template button. TikTok will take you to a new page where you'll see an option that says Use Template in CapCut. Tap on it. CapCut will automatically open. Here, tap on Use Template. Now, it's time to pick content for video. Once you've selected your clips, preview the video to see how it looks. If you're happy with it, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution, like 1080p or 4K, and then tap Save to Device. Now that your video is saved, you can easily share it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other platform to show off your year in review. And that's it. You've just created your own by 2024 Welcome to 2025 video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.